Guys, Mpilo Mseleko, I think she still uses Uzungu because Pelo Babake. Let's not get into that. But Mpilo Mseleko just graduated from UKZN. Congratulations, okay? Congratulations. It's graduation season, okay? Very, very exciting for the parents of the kids that completed their degrees, their diplomas, their certificates last year, okay? It's time to celebrate all of that sacrifice, in terms of time for the kids, in terms of the pockets for the parents. It's that season. Congratulations to Mpilo, you guys. It's congratulations to her because she is the first of the kids, Zakamselegu, to actually graduate. Salboni Jazzy Samona walking on stage, because some of these kids will be saying, I completed, I graduated, but we are like, where are the pictures? Lipi Jaji, where is the certificates? But with them below, we actually get to see it. Congratulations to her. We get to see her moms. Both of them, you guys, they've done a good job. Congratulations to Mpilo, you guys. Ijazi lokuqala lakaMseleko. Well, likhona likababa wakhe, because uyasho ubaba ukuthi he went to Howard College, even though we've never seen the pictures. But, with the kids, it's the first one that we're seeing, you guys. She did well. And I actually think she did it in record time, because wasn't it just yesterday that Upilo completed high school? It was just yesterday. So she actually did her degree in record time. Okay, so congratulations to Mpilo. You guys know that I've always had an issue with Mseleko putting such a big emphasis on the boys, okay? The boys, this, the boys, that. And I was like, listen, okay, check who is taking care of the households, and most of the households and most of the families, okay, most of our families, it's the girls, okay? So you're going to be busy here paying attention to the boys, but the people that are going to be saving you here is the girls, okay? And below is showing you that you should be paying attention to the what? To the girls, because the girls be doing the things, okay? Oprah was trying to tell us when she was saying, listen, if you're going to build a school for the girls, because the girls will be the ones that will be doing the things, okay? And remember, now it's a gossip, okay? It's still congratulations to Mpilo. Remember that Mseleko said, because there's still a query about Inhlawulo kaMpilo, okay? Because wahlawula ngithi when he wanted to change the surname kaMpilo, and then abantu bakaZungu, they came back and they said, no, he did not finish because wahlawula, but he didn't lobola Mpilo, so he can't change Mpilo's surname. And Mseleko was like, they don't understand that if they don't allow him to change his surname, Mpilo won't get anything when it comes to izinto zikaMakhumalo. So should anything happen to Makhumalo, Mpilo won't get anything, because she did not change the surname from Zungu to Mseleko. And I was like, this man is actually intentionally not loboling Mpilo, because he is wanting Mpilo not to get izinto zikaMakhumalo. But you know what? Mpilo don't need izinto zikaMakhumalo, because Mpilo is going to go and get her own. Because that's what girls do, okay? So while you are busy doing this thing of boys this, boys that, abafana, the girls are out there getting their own, okay? So while you can't pay your own hospital bills, honey, the girls might actually pay your hospital bills and their hospital bills and all of your children's hospital bills. Because the girls are the ones that actually you should be very, very happy to have, because most households in South Africa are what? being taken care of by the girls. But men are not paying enough attention to even know that, okay? So congratulations to Umpilo and congratulations to her mothers, because listen, probably Samsung doesn't even know what Umpilo ubefundani. Ube khona kwi-graduation. Akakapost nokupost. Anyway, you guys, congrats. I can't wait to be the parent at the graduation. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let's write the congratulations in the comment section, okay? Oh, probably graduation. Kodwa singamshade kakhulu, mhlawumbe bekhona sitting at the back seats. They didn't have enough seats. Thank you so much. Ngiyanithanda kakhulu.